Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Text Everyday. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today's text comes from 2 Timothy 2 verses 11 to 15. Listen what it says.
Now listen me good, cause what me about to tell you, I no lie, but I choose something. If we did dead with him, we are gonna live with him too. If we no give up, we are gonna rule with him too. If we go on like we no know him will go on like him no know we. If we turn we back on him still not turn him back on we. Cause Jesus Christ can't go on like him no know who him be. No make nobody forget them sitting here. Warn them in a God name for top fight over what some word mean. Them sitting there no help nobody. It only mash up the people them will hear it. Try hard and do your work the way God want you to do it. Make sure you do your work good and will teach the truth. If you do this, you not go have nothing to shame about, and God will be happy with you.
Think about this. What is a text a teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text par, it make the devil turn far. See you soon.